Itaas noong tumindig ka o kabataan saan man naroroon. Hayaan ang liwanag ng magandang bukas ay makita, ikaw na pag-asa ng bayan. Halina ikaw na tunay na henyo at bigyan ng inspirasyon sa tulong ng mapagpalang kamay. Magpahangin kang at ilipad ang aming isipan ng pagkataas-taas. Bumabakang kasama ang liwanag ng sining at agham, dunong na tunay. O kabataan, kilos at kalagin, ang tanikalang gumagapos sa iyong diwa at kaluluwa. Masdan ang lumiliyab na putong sa gitna ng mga aninong naglipana. Mapagpalang kamay ng inang bayan, putong na'y marikit na korona. Nakilang alay niya sa lupaing ito. Panahon na upang ikay magbangon, iyong bagwis na pagal sa paghahanap ng langit ng Olympia, mga awiting pagkatamis-tamis, mas malamyos pa sa patak ng ulan. Ikaw na ang dakilang tinig, ang mas maerog kaysa Pilomel. Sa gabing tahimik, malungkot, ikaw ang siyang tanging lunas ng mga kaluluwang nagdudusa. Ikaw na ang diwa ay matalas, ginigising binubuhay aking isipan, at ang alaalang nagpapalinaw sa iyong hinyong ilaw, tunay na lakas ng isang immortal. At ikaw ang diwang malinaw, na mahal ni Pebo at Apollo, ang kanilang kayang mahiwagang kamay, ang siyang kumakalinga umaayos sa kalikasan na nasa iyong kanbas. Humayok at pagliyabin ang apoy ng iyong henyo ng mangarap na laurel. Kailangang maipamahagi ang apoy ng makamit yaring tagumpay para sa mas nakararami sa ating lahi. Araw, masayang araw, mahal kong Pilipinas, aking bayan. Basbasan mo kami't alagaan ngayon at magpakailanman tungo sa maunlad na kinabukasan. Now we're going to analyze the poem entitled Para sa Kabataang Pilipino, written by our national hero, Dr. Jose P. Rizal. The first stanza of the poem speaks of the importance of Filipino youth in shaping the future of our country. It calls on us to let the light of a good tomorrow be seen, indicating the need for positivity and a sense of optimism in the face of adversity. In the second stanza of the poem, Dr. Jose Rizal inspires the Filipino youth to greatness. The poem suggests that with the help of Almighty God, the youth can reach their dreams and can surpass the challenges that they may face. The third stanza highlights the importance of arts and science and how they can guide the youth towards true wisdom. The poem suggests that the youth should act and love the chain that binds their spirit and soul, indicating the need for a strong sense of purpose and direction. The fourth stanza of the poem describes the country's struggle for independence and the sacrifices that have been made to achieve it. The fifth stanza of the poem inspires the Filipino youth to strive for excellence in every task in order for them to reach their dreams in life. The sixth stanza of the poem speaks of the power of the youth's voice and how it can be used in addressing the problems of our country. The poem suggests that the youth's spirit is sharp and can wake, revive, and inspires others to greatness. The seventh stanza of the poem focuses on the power of art and its ability to inspire and uplift the humanity. The poem suggests that the youth should use their artistic talents to create beautiful works that can inspire others. The eighth stanza of the poem speaks directly to the youth to pursue excellence and strive for greatness. The poem suggests that when such a victory is achieved, it must be shared with the majority of the race. Now, the final stanza of the poem is a beautiful message of hope for our country. It asks for blessing and protection for the country and its people and expresses the hope for a prosperous future.